Hello, food lovers. Today, we explore Louisiana's Cajun cuisine, a true gem of American cooking. Originating from Acadian exiles, Cajun food is a tapestry of flavors rooted in South Louisiana's bayous and prairies. Take gumbo, iconic stew with dark roux, blend of meats, seafood, vegetables simmered to perfection. It's more than a meal, a celebration of community and tradition past generations, each spoonful telling a story. Then jambalaya, one-pot dish of rice, meat, vegetables seasoned with spices defining Cajun cooking. Can't talk Cajun food without mentioning crawfish boil, communal feast where friends and family gather. These dishes are testament to Cajun ingenuity and resilience, transforming simple ingredients into culinary experiences. From roux to spicy crawfish kick, every bite an adventure into culture rich with flavor and history. If you're a foodie seeking American flavors, Cajun cuisine is an experience to savor. Taste Louisiana's soul.